Aprilia's flagship superbike, the 2026 RSV4 1100 Factory, arrives with a bold new attitude, and nothing captures that spirit better than its stunning purple factory colorway. More than just a cosmetic choice, this shade amplifies the RSV4's identity, elite performance wrapped in unmistakably Italian flair. At its core, the RSV4 1100 Factory remains one of the most intimidating V4-powered machines on the planet. The proven 1099 cubic centimeters 65-degree V4 engine roars with a fierce, track-bred character, delivering a peak output of over 220 horsepower. Power delivery is immediate, smooth, and relentlessly aggressive, pushing the rider forward with the kind of urgency only Aprilia's racing DNA can create. This year, Aprilia fine-tunes the aerodynamics with sharper winglets, redesigned fairings, and improved airflow management. The result is noticeably stronger high-speed stability and increased downforce when charging out of corners. Paired with a lightweight aluminum frame, one of the most iconic chassis designs in the superbike world, the RSV4 remains a terrifyingly precise weapon on both road and track. Suspension is handled by Öhlins Smart EC 2.0, allowing riders to switch from street comfort to full track aggression in seconds. Complementing it are Brembo's top-tier calipers, delivering furious stopping power with race-level consistency. Every system feels engineered for riders who refuse compromise. Electronics remain a highlight. Aprilia's APRC suite brings traction control, cornering ABS, wheelie control, launch control, engine brake management, and a lightning-fast quickshifter. The bike communicates through a crisp TFT display and the Aprilia MIA connectivity system, blending old-school performance with modern refinement. But it's the purple factory finish that elevates this machine beyond pure performance. The deep metallic tone accentuates the sharp lines of the fairing, gives the carbon elements a richer contrast, and makes the bike look like a rolling piece of motorsport art. It's a color that demands attention, subtle enough to be elegant, yet bold enough to be unmistakably factory-spec. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory in purple isn't just another superbike, it's a statement. A declaration of engineering mastery, Italian passion, and rider-focused performance. For those who crave a machine that blends raw speed, precision handling, and visual drama, this is one of the most compelling superbikes of the year.